Hey, what's up people? Welcome to arabteaches, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I create this logo design. It's called future stars. So I'll be walking you guys from the sketching phase to the vectorizing phase. So for the sketching process, all you need is just a pencil, a compass, and also an eraser. But if you don't have a compass, you can just look for anything circular, like a cover of something, just for you to draw anything circle. So when I do all this kind of drawing, I come up with rough sketches, and if I'm sure about the concept, then I go ahead and draw a refined sketch that's a more cleaner look. So this one is a more cleaner look of the rough sketches I made, because I made a couple of sketches, but this concept is the one I actually went for, and yes, is the one I'm going with. And the one I'll be using for the vectorizing phase is not actually this sketch, because I've actually drawn this logo before, but just for the sake of the tutorial, so I'm actually drawing it again for you to just take a look on how I would go ahead and draw a logo. So sometimes I also shade the inside so as to make it pop when I'm trying to trace right. Okay. So if you are through with this sketch, all you have to do is just take a snapshot of it, then you transfer it to the software you are going to use to make the logo. Then what I do is I lower the opacity, and also I lock down the image so that I'll be able to draw perfectly on it. And the next thing I do is just look for similar objects that can replicate these shapes on that logo. So I try to make it as simple as possible. Some people might just start out using the pen tool directly, but as a designer, sometimes you just need to calculate how you want the logo to be made, like simple shapes. Just come up with simple shape that could literally make the process easier for you. So with this one now, I'm just using circle, like the eclipse tool. You can access it using the L on your keyboard. So using the eclipse tool, because I know the eclipse tool is already perfect, so it's just a little adjustments that will be there for me when I'm actually cutting out the shape. And also there's a start there, so I'm just going to use the start tool just to complete all the shapes on the logo. Then after that, after I've completely arranged all these shapes on it, the next thing I have to do is just duplicate it so that I'll have an extra copy in case I make a mistake, so I have something to go back to. So that's a good workflow if you are doing a logo design work. Always duplicate your last process so you have something to go back to in case you need it or you want to reference something. So with that being said, I will duplicate this one now, and I will use my shape builder to build the shape. So I'll be removing the unused parts, and also I'll be keeping the part that is very useful. With the shape builder, if you hold down the Alt key, you have a minus sign. So with that, you can be able to remove unnecessary parts from it, and the shape is completely built with just using the shape builder and direct selection tool. So I'll be rounding the star too sharp for me, so I have to round it a bit. So with this direct selection tool, you just drag it in a little bit, and the corners will be rounded. So our logo is already complete, but we have to add colors to it, and also the text, like the company's name. So that's why we are still on it. So I'll be adding a white background, because the blue color I chose for the logo won't be visible that much. That's why I'm using a white background, a white rectangle, so it's going to push out the blue color. So I'll be adding a color, and mind you, if you are resizing any object, don't forget to hold down the shift key so it will be perfect, so that you won't distort the shape when you are through with it. And also guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe to my channel. It's going to help me grow. And don't forget to share the video with your loved ones, tell them about this channel. And yes, let's continue. So now I'm adding the name of the brand, which is Future Style. So I'm using Futura Medium, I think. Yes, Futura Medium. And I would be adding I think that color is not good, but I'll be adding that color to it. And also I'll be adding the remaining brand name, which is foundation, because it's Future Stars Foundation. So I'll be adding the foundation in the blue color also. So the foundation, most times when I do this kind of logo for the foundation, I'll just make it a little bit smaller, then increase the tracking of the letters. And you can do this by clicking on the character icon beside that font box. You can look at it from there and increase the tracking, because with that it helps a lot to just track it. Or you can hold down the Alt and right arrow key for you to track it. You can just click it and type in the amount, the value you desire, just for a quick reference. And this stage we are completely through the logo design. I'm just making some little adjustment, like making sure it's aligned to the middle, and also because there's something we called optical balancing in design. Sometimes when you align objects with the alignment tool, sometimes it looks aligned according to the computer, but with the human eye it doesn't look aligned. So that's what we call optimal balancing. So it's now left for the designer to balance it with the way he or she perceives it. So that's just what I'm trying to get into. And also, if you can see, I'm using the direct selection tool on the letters, each letters. So I'm also trying to adjust each letter, because I think some, and that's what they call I think scanning or scanning. So some letters have big space, while some don't. So that's why I'm using that direct selection to specifically give each letter space, so as to look optimal balanced, so as to look more balanced. So that's just it. So I'll leave you so you could enjoy the rest of the tutorial. Don't forget guys, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.